crystal lovers, it's Harmony. I wanted to share with you that I was doing some spring cleaning and rearranging decorations, and I thought of a fun way on how to utilize my jewelry as a new decoration. So here's a tassel necklace that I made from Swarovski Crystal Pearls and crystals. Pearls are platinum pearls with crystal golden shadow, crystal round beads and Baroque beads, and Baroque pendant and a pear and a tassel at the end. I just love this necklace so much. I love wearing it, but I don't get to wear it so often, but I would love to utilize it more and get it out of its closet, being sad and lonely in its closet. And so now it can be a decoration where I can enjoy it and sparkles can come through the window. And I also added some crystal angels to my orchid. I just love how this looks, and when the sunshine comes through, just add so many little details of sparkles everywhere, making it a very magical experience in here. So I thought it'd be fun to share with you on how you can utilize your jewelry or your crystal components that you have in a fun and unique way. So keep smiling and keep shining, everyone.